Hey, welcome back, my Scrappin' friends. I'm Vanessa, and I'm with Scrappin' It Up, and I have another cute little album to teach you. Yes, I am going to be teaching you guys how to make this cute little brag book. If you remember, a couple months ago, I taught you how to make this one, and this one was 4.5 by 5.5. So if you haven't caught this one, I will put the link down below. This one took 2 file folders. This one takes 3 file folders. Okay? So go check it out, guys. And this one, you're going to love this one too. This one measures 6 by 7. And like I said, this one does take your 3 file folders. And then, again, it has a 3/4 inch spine. And I've done a little bit different closure on this one. I wanted something different. I get tired of, the same old, with our mini albums. So I've done something different, okay? So let me show you. And I used ribbon. I wanted some type of closure for it. So the ribbon is ran through here. I glued here, and the ribbon runs right through it. So all you got to do is wrap your ribbon around it and tie it up. How cute. So this opens up. And so we just scored on this to make it, and I gave you plenty of room. This here is 1.25 inches. This is 3/4 inch because I know it'll probably get a little bit chunky monkey, so I accommodated for that. Okay? And here I have some things here, and so I put it underneath. I hid it so when it's closed it's not going to show, because my reasoning behind that, if I stuck it over here it would create too much noise, and I didn't want that, so I stuck that stuff underneath. Okay, this little brag book will hold 40 pictures. 40 pictures, guys. 3 file folders. That's it. So we have a little pocket here. And instead of decorating my photo mats, I left them blank because I'm saving them for the photos. You could journal here, of your photo, because we want to save it for our photos. But look at this. How cute. And I used the Happy Trails by Simple Stories. Very cute. And here I just left that open so you could stick, a photograph behind it. And I did use some colored cardstock to kind of go with it. And that's one thing I love about the file folders is the collection comes with these, and they're just so perfect for the file folder album. So here we have a belly band. And there's 2 photo mats. This collection was pretty darn cute to work with. And then this opens up, and I used the beige cardstock so that way I could journal here about what my photographs are about. Oh, I hope you guys will make this. And I will, during when I teach you, I give you all the measurements and everything while we're working. But yeah, I'll teach you how to make this from start to finish. Just like we did on the other little file folder album. And then here I just create a little tuck spot, and I just stuck a couple of the embellishments. I did that somewhere else too, didn't I? Oh, right here. I forgot to show you. So I just glued here and here, and there's a couple of embellishments from the collection. I knew I'd done that somewhere else. Oh, that raccoon is just so cute. But yeah, I will be teaching you guys how to make this, because I want everyone to make one of these. They're so cute. I mean, this time of year, we're looking for gifts to make for Christmas. Yes, it'd make a perfect gift. And that's it. That's it, my friends. That's it. And then just closes up, and you just tie, get your ribbon where it's the same, and tie it. Now, how cute is that little closure? How cute is that, guys? Really, how cute is that? I love it. So that's all I have for you guys. If you haven't seen this one, go check it out. I'll put the link down below. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about these cute little brag books, and hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so you never miss out. Okay, guys, that's it. Have a great day, and as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.